Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to add or update a Contact Us page on your WordPress website, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the full guide on how to build a professional looking contact page that helps your visitors easily get in touch with you. Whether you're updating an old page or creating one from scratch, I've got you covered. So let's get right into it. First, let's start with accessing your WordPress account. Open your web browser and go to your WordPress login page. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the main WordPress site. Click on it. For a faster sign in, you can use the Continue with Google shortcut. Just select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress website. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center. Now, let's move to creating or editing your contact page. On the left sidebar, click on Pages. This section lists all the pages currently on your website. If you already have a contact page, simply click on it to edit. But if you don't have one yet, click on the Add Page button to create a new one. Next, it's time for customization and adding your contact info. Start by entering the title, Contact Us. Then, in the content area, add all the ways people can reach you, like your business email, phone number, or office address. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button, usually at the top right of your editor. And just like that, your contact page is live and ready for visitors. And there you have it, a simple, quick, and effective way to build or update your contact info page on WordPress in under 5 minutes. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress and website tutorials, and drop a comment below letting me know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.